Assalamu alaikum and happy Friday to everyone. Today's recipe I'll be making Chapli kebab with very basic ingredients. So here I have the spices: salt, cumin seeds, red chili powder, garam masala powder, and coriander powder. Also I have the vegetables, which are just the green chilies, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, one medium onion, and I had frozen coriander leaves, so I'll be using those, but you can use fresh ones of course. And then I have one large tomato, and then here I have chili flakes, coriander seeds, and also I have dried pomegranate seeds. These are very important for these kebabs if you want to make them in a very traditional way. But if you don't have these three ingredients, it's fine. You can just use the powder spices and work with those. I'll be chopping the chilies with the coriander seeds and the pomegranate seeds. I like using this chopper because it keeps the ingredients very how should I say, it doesn't turn them into a paste, and that's how I wanted them for the kebabs. So there, I'm just gonna go ahead and finely chop the ginger and garlic. And I like to use fresh ginger and garlic for these kebabs. You can use a paste, but I think minced would work best for these kebabs. I think it gives it all the flavor. So these are very important, but yes, again, if you feel comfortable using ginger garlic paste, go ahead and use that. And then I'm just going to take the onion and also finely chop it, or probably mince it, because it turns into it, but it doesn't turn into a paste, which I like. So there, I'm just gonna add all these vegetables with the spices, and then add the minced beef I have here. So I'm gonna add the beef to all my spices and the vegetables. I'm using minced beef here, and these kebabs are made with beef. But if you want to use minced mutton meat or chicken, you can go ahead and do that as well. So I'm just going to mix everything together really well, and be careful. I'm wearing a glove here because of the chilies. Your hands like can feel the burn from like the green chilies and the red chilies. So I'm just gonna knead everything together really well and set it aside. You don't have to set I mean, you can start cooking them right away. So here I'm just gonna make the patties and stick a slice of tomato on them, because I'll be grilling them on stovetop. If you're baking them in the oven, you can go ahead and place the tomato slice on top of them as well. But I because traditionally they're made on a flat pan and overheat, so they're best cooked on stovetop. I guess you can say I won't be adding oil, like I won't be deep frying them, but the real way of making them is making them in lard. So they actually add lard to the oil they actually cook these kebabs in. But because I'm using medium beef, or it already has a little bit of fat in it, and you'll see I won't be deep frying them at all. I have the frying pan lightly coated with oil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let the kebabs sit on. So I have the heat high right now, but I will turn it to a medium high after maybe a couple of minutes, once I see the kebabs have started cooking, because if the heat is too high for too long, then they'll just burn, and the inside of the kebabs or the patty won't cook properly. So just like that, you can continue frying them 5 minutes on each side on a medium high heat. And very simple recipe again. and you can barbecue the kebabs with the same recipe as well. You don't need to add anything extra in there. Some people like to add papaya, but I think that just breaks the kebabs. I like to keep it just with the fresh vegetables, ginger, garlic, and have it that way. Thank you for watching this recipe, and hope you enjoy making and having these. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel.